scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Finding critical points for a squared function is actually super fast if you know the chain rule. Let's solve this calculus problem together right now. First, we define our new function g of x as f of x squared. To find the critical points, we need to take the derivative using the power and chain rules. The derivative g prime equals 2 times f of x times f prime of x. We must find every x value where this entire expression equals 0 or is undefined. The graph shows f is 0 twice and f prime is 0 once at the minimum. This gives 3 total critical points. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given info and check your steps.